how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to restore posts, stories, and reels you've recently removed from your profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Your Activity from the menu options. Moving forward, scroll down and look for Recently Deleted. Afterwards, tap on Recently Deleted to access all your deleted content. In addition to that, you'll see deleted posts, stories, reels, and IGTV videos that are stored temporarily. Once there, deleted content is kept for 30 days before being permanently removed. Subsequently, find the post you want to recover from the list. Moreover, tap on the post to select it and view more options. Afterwards, tap on the three dots icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Restore from the menu options. Within the confirmation pop-up, tap Restore again to bring the post back to your profile. Alternatively, the post will be restored to its original location on your feed with all likes and comments intact. Once restored, you can view the post on your profile immediately. And that's it. If this recovery tutorial helped you get your deleted Instagram posts back, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram data recovery guides, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.